easily. Whereas in non-linear data structure, the data are not stored in sequential manner, they are stored in chronological manner. Thank you.
So you tell about what is data structure and what are the operations in data structure.
Stack is defined as a linear operation that operates on the LIFO principle, last in first out, and the operations are push, pop, top is empty, is full. The first operation, push, adds an element from the top of the stack, then pop. The pop element is defined as deleting the element from the top of the stack. Peek, then the peek is defined as the top element without repeating it, removing it. Then the last element is empty, is checking if the stack is empty. Then here the example is the last element added in the first one to be removed. And the examples are a desk of cards and the piles of books, piles of money.
Vijay Raghavan, what is array and types of array and how to define the array?
Array is a group of elements of the same data type. There are two types of arrays, that is one-dimensional array and two-dimensional array. The one-dimensional array is a linear data structure with a fixed size of elements. The two-dimensional array is an array of arrays. It represents array elements in the tabular form using rows and columns. The index of the array starts from the A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, and to the nth term of the elements. The syntax of the array is data type, array name, and the array size. For example, int, data type int, and the variable data name, that is data name is A, and the data size is 4. Here the int A of 4 that contains A of 4 that represents the 4 elements that in the elements. We can't change the values during the execution, that is during the runtime.
Ravi, now you have to say the what is queue and say the real-time example for queue.
I am going to explain about the queue and the real-time definition of the queue. The queue is a linear data structure which follows the FIFO. FIFO means first in and first out. It's the principle, the element inserted at the first and removed at the first. It's like the people waiting for a ticket counter. And Sanjay is going to explain about the types of queue. Types of queues are linear, circular, priority, queue.
And an array, both of you say the what is ADT and types of ADTs.
ADT is abstract data type. The definition of abstract data type is defined as a high-level description of data structure and defined as a behavior and operation of its implementation. Types.
There are two types, stack
Three of you say the what is linked list and say the example and what are the types in linked list.
Linked list is a linear data structure. Linked list is a linear data structure that stores a collection of elements where each element are used. It contains data and linked to an exponential sequence.
இப்போது லிங்க்டு லிஸ்ட்னா என்ன பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரெண்டு நோடாக கனெக்ட் ஆகிருக்கும். ஃபஸ்ட்டு நோட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அந்த வேரியபிள்ஸ் நோடாக இருக்கும், ரெண்டாவது நோட்டில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அந்த வேல்யூஸ் நோடாக இருக்கும். இது வந்து முன்னாடியும் பின்னாடியும் ஒரு கனெக்ட் ஆகிட்டே போகும். ஃபஸ்ட்டு இந்த மாதிரி வேரியபிளும் செகண்ட் இந்த மாதிரி வேல்யூவும் போட்டாங்க. முன்னாடி பின்னாடி இருக்கலாம். ஃபஸ்ட் இருக்கிறது வந்து டேட்டா, ரெண்டாவது இது வந்து பாயிண்ட். இப்போ இதுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து
லிங்க்டு எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து மொத்தம் 3 டைப்ஸ். ஒன்று வந்து சிங்கிள் லிங்க்டு லிஸ்ட், டபுள் லிங்க்டு லிஸ்ட், சர்க்குலர் லிங்க்டு லிஸ்ட்.
Lakshman and Vishnu Prasad, what is